Chapter 12. Figure patterns. Repeating pattern 1. Repeating pattern 1. Take the correct answer which comes next. 1. We are given U, then horizontal one, then vertical, then horizontal. So the next one will be the vertical U, that is B. 2. Here the position of the circles are getting changed. Here it was like this, then this, then this. So the answer for this one will be D. 3. We are given arrow pointing slant up, then slant down, then towards the left, then slant up, and the next one will be slant down. 4. We are given triangle plus triangle plus triangle, then triangle plus. So the next one will be plus triangle. 5. We are given a triangle inside rectangle, circle inside rectangle, triangle inside rectangle, circle inside rectangle. So next one will be triangle inside the rectangle. 6. If we look at this pattern, the answer for this one will be D, as the placement of the first and this one is same. Repeating patterns 2. Give next two figures for each of the following. 1. So here we are getting repeated image again. This one is shifted to this, then again the first one, then second, then first. So here the second one will come. So after that again the first figure will come. 2. Here we also have two types of figure, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So here the pattern of 1, 2, 1, 2 is flowing. So after 1, the second image will come, that is this. And after 2, 1, this image will come. 3. Here we have three types of image, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2. So after 2, third image, that is this, will come. So C, then P, then question mark, then arrow. Okay, and after third, first image will come, that is arrow equals to P, C. Okay. 4. Here also we have three images, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2. So after 2, the third image will come. It will have stars, R in the corner, C, hash in the corner, and at the rate. Okay, and after 3, first will come. It is having at the rate, hash, A, R, and a star. Okay. 5. Here also we have three types of figure, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2. So after 2, the third figure will come, and after 3, the first figure will come. 6. Here we are given 4 figures, 1, 2, 3, 4, then again 1. So after 1, the 2 figure will come, that is big S, small 1. And after that, the third, that is big 2, small p. 7. Here we are given pattern of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So after that 3 will come, and the 3 pattern is this. And after 3, the first pattern, that is X, this. Okay. 8. Here also we are given pattern of 3, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2. So the next one will be this, and the next one will be this. Okay. Repeating patterns 3. Fill in the boxes. 1. Here we are given images like 1, 2, 3, then again 1. So after 1 the second image will come, that is this, and after second, third, then first image, that is this. Okay. 2. Again here we given 3 images, 1, 2, 3. So now the first image will come. That is this. Then second, then third one. Okay. 3. Here also we are given 3 images, 1, 2, 3. So here 1 is given, 2 is given, and 3 is missing. So we will draw 3. And after 3, first image comes. So we will draw the first image, that was this. 4. Here we are given, here also we are given 3 images, that is 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, then 1. So here the second image is this, so we will draw, and the first image is this, so we will draw this image here. Okay. 5. Here we are given 3 images, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 1. So here the first and second images will come. Okay. 6. Here also we are given 3 images, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3. So here first and third image will come, and the third image is, okay, 7. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So here the first image will come, that is the triangle having X's on the corners and one corner with a dot. And the last one, again the first image will come. Okay. 8. Here we are given 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2. So here the second image will come, and after that first image. Okay. Growing patterns 1. Tick the correct answer which comes next. So here the pattern is growing. 1. Here we have 1 image, 2, 3, 4. So the next one will have 5 images. 2. Here we have 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, 5 dots. So next one will have 6 dots. 3. Here we have 1 arrow, 2, 3, 4. So the next one will have 5 arrows. 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 images. The next one will have 5. 5. Here we have 2 crosses, then 4, 6, 8. So the next one will have 10 X's. 6. Here we have 3 figures, then 6, then 9, then 12. So the next one will have 15 figures. 7. Here we have 2 dots, then 4, then 6, then 8. So the next one will have 10 dots. Okay. Growing patterns 2. Fill in the boxes. 1. Here we are given 0 dots, then 1, then 2, 3, 4. So the next one will have 5 dots, and after that it will have 6. Okay. 2. We are given 1 arrow, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next one will have 6 arrows. And then 7 arrows. Okay. 3. Here we have 1 arrow, 2, 3, 4, then 5. So the next one will have 6 arrows. And after that 7 arrows. 4. Here we are given 1 dot, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So after that we will be having 6 dots and then 7. Okay. 5. Here we have 1 jump, then 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next one will have 6. Okay. And the next figure will have 7. Okay. 6. Here we have 3 lines, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the next one will have 8 lines. Okay. Then 9. 7. Here we are given 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10. So the next one will have 12. Similarly, next one will have 14. Okay. 8. Here we have 1 circle, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So the next one will have 6 circles and next one will have 7. Okay. Reducing patterns. Take the correct figure which comes next. 1. Here we have 8 arrows, then 7, then 6, then 5. So the next one will have 4 arrows. 2. Here we have 5 dots, 4, 3, 2. So the next one will have 1 dot. 3. Here we have 8 lines, then 7, 6, 5. So the next one will have 4 lines. 4. Here we have 12 balls, then 10, then 8, then 6. So the next one will have 4 balls. 5. Here one element is getting removed. Here we have 12, then 11, then 10. So here 9. So the next one will have 8 elements. 6. Here we have 10 figures, then 8, then 6, then 4. So the next one will have 2 figures. 7. Here we have 12 figures, then 10, then 8, then 6. So the next one will have 4 figures. Okay.